Once upon a time, there was a forest full of different kinds of animals. All of them lived happily together. But one day, a hunter from a nearby village started hunting and killing many animals in the forest. Most of all, he loved hunting rabbits as he was fond of wearing woolen garments made of rabbit fur. The animals of the forest lived in fear of him. All his friends advised him not to hunt the animals in the forest, especially the rabbits, but he never listened to them. He rudely yelled at them saying, "Mind your own business. Don't tell me what to do." One winter afternoon, the hunter was arranging his hunting tools, which included a net, a knife, a spear, a rope, and a bow and arrow. A sage who was walking past him stopped after seeing this. He asked the hunter, "What are you going to do with these?" The hunter replied, "I will hunt a rabbit and make a coat from its fur." The sage told the hunter that it is a sin to kill innocent animals and that he should stop hunting or he would be punished. The hunter became very angry and said, "I will hunt and no one can stop me. No one has the power to punish me." He left to venture into the forest and the sage decided to sit there and meditate. Shortly after, the hunter returned with a rabbit in his hand. He told the sage who was meditating, "Look, I have brought a rabbit. Now I will kill it and peel out its skin. Let's see who dares to punish me." Just as the hunter was about to kill the rabbit, his knife slipped out of his hand and struck his foot. The hunter screamed in pain and let the rabbit go. His leg started bleeding heavily and he kept writhing in pain. He realized his mistake and that the Almighty had punished him for his sin. The hunter asked for forgiveness from the sage and gave up hunting. Thereafter, he started feeding and caring for animals. He also spoke to everyone politely and treated them kindly. Conclusion. The story of this stubborn hunter leaves us with a few lessons. One of them is being stubborn about wrong things that are not appropriate. The hunter suffered because of his stubbornness. We have also learned that killing animals unnecessarily is a sin and that sins are always punished. Treating all humans kindly and being polite are good qualities that all of us should possess.